Comparing two software options side by side. An AI voice continues from here.
Tickmill positions itself as a broker, built for traders who prioritize execution speed, tight spreads, and transparency rather than flashy bonuses or aggressive marketing. One of the platform's standout strengths is execution quality. Orders are generally filled quickly with minimal slippage, even during volatile market conditions, which is critical for news traders, scalpers, and short-term strategies that rely on precise entry and exit timing. Many traders highlight the consistency of fills and the overall stability of the trading environment during high liquidity sessions. Tickmill supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, making it highly compatible with expert advisors, custom indicators, and automated trading systems. This is a strong advantage for traders who rely on algorithmic strategies or prefer a familiar, professional trading interface. Leverage can go as high as 1 to 1,000 depending on jurisdiction, providing flexibility for smaller accounts, though it requires disciplined risk management. The broker also supports multiple base currencies, helping traders avoid unnecessary conversion fees, and offers Islamic swap-free trading for those who need it. Another positive is Tickmill's operational simplicity. The platform avoids unnecessary distractions, focusing instead on core trading functionality. Deposit and withdrawal processes are generally described as predictable, with traders often noting consistent processing times compared to less established brokers. This reliability matters for traders who value access to their funds without delays or excessive manual intervention. On the downside, Tickmill is not a feature-heavy ecosystem. You won't find the integrated copy trading networks, social feeds, or advanced analytics dashboards built into the platform. Educational resources exist but remain fairly basic, which may challenge complete beginners who need structured learning support. Promotions and bonuses are limited, which some traders appreciate for transparency, while others may view it as a lack of onboarding incentives. In terms of background, Tickmill was founded in 2014 and has steadily built a reputation around institutional-style pricing and execution quality. Over time, it has expanded its regulatory presence and global client base, with a clear focus on professional and cost-conscious traders rather than casual speculators. This conservative growth strategy has helped Tickmill maintain consistency rather than chasing rapid expansion. Now, looking at account structure and pricing. Tickmill offers a commission-free option where trading costs are embedded directly into the spread, appealing to traders who prefer simple, predictable pricing. For traders who want tighter pricing precision, there is a raw spread option where spreads can drop to zero during liquid market hours, paired with a low fixed commission per lot. Minimum deposits remain relatively accessible, allowing traders to start without oversized commitments. Overall, Tickmill's pricing structure rewards disciplined, cost-aware traders who value execution reliability and low trading costs over flashy features and marketing extras. Libertex approaches trading from a different angle, focusing heavily on accessibility and simplicity rather than traditional broker complexity. One of Libertex's most notable features is its clean, intuitive interface, which is designed to be easy to navigate even for traders with little prior experience. The platform places strong emphasis on usability, making it appealing to beginners and casual traders who want to place trades quickly without navigating complex chart setups. Libertex offers access to a wide range of instruments, including forex, stocks, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, metals, oil, and gas. This variety allows traders to diversify within a single platform rather than managing multiple accounts across brokers. The platform also supports fractional trading, enabling users to trade smaller portions of assets, which is helpful for managing risk or trading with limited capital. Demo accounts are available and frequently praised, as they allow new users to practice without risking real money. Execution is generally smooth for standard trading activity, and many users highlight the platform's responsiveness and ease of order placement. Libertex also integrates educational content and basic market insights directly into the platform, which supports learning for newer traders. However, experienced traders may find the analytical tools relatively limited compared to professional trading platforms. There are trade-offs. Libertex is not built for advanced algorithmic or high-frequency trading. It does not cater heavily to expert advisors or complex automation, and traders who rely on deep technical customization may find it restrictive. The simplified interface, while beginner-friendly, can feel limiting for traders who want granular control or institutional-style execution. Some users also note that trading conditions may feel less optimized for aggressive scalping strategies. Libertex was founded in 1997, making it one of the longer-established platforms in the online trading space. Over the years, it evolved alongside retail trading trends, shifting toward ease of use and accessibility rather than professional specialization. Its long history has helped it build brand recognition, particularly among newer traders entering the markets. Now looking at pricing and account structure, Libertex operates differently from traditional spread-based brokers. Instead of focusing heavily on spreads, many trades involve fixed commissions, which makes trading costs more transparent upfront. Account structures are designed to separate long-term investing from leveraged CFD trading, allowing users to choose an approach aligned with their risk tolerance. Minimum deposits are generally accessible, and overall costs depend on the asset traded, leverage used, and commission structure rather than variable spreads alone. When comparing customer sentiment, Tickmill holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.6, with traders frequently praising execution speed, tight pricing on raw setups, and reliable withdrawals. Comments often highlight smooth order fills and operational consistency, while criticism usually focuses on limited features. Libertex carries a Trustpilot rating of 3.8, with many users praising the intuitive platform design, ease of use, and beginner-friendly experience. Positive comments often mention low perceived fees, simple trade execution, and a smooth learning curve, while criticism tends to focus on platform limitations for advanced traders. Final takeaway: if you want a clean, execution-focused broker with tight pricing and a professional trading environment, Tickmill is the stronger choice for active and cost-aware traders who value precision. If your priority is simplicity, accessibility, and an easy-to-use platform for diversified trading, Libertex offers a more beginner-friendly experience with lower friction. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that best fits how you trade, manage risk, and build confidence step by step with clarity.